Well, here we are again in the laundry room with the 94 machine. So, today we'll be doing a white load, today, with whites. And this is where it's going to be set at. Shorter wash time. And, we'll see you then in the next video. Just so you know, one quick thing, I forgot to show the model number on the dryer. Model number is 110.8698310, 69838, MX11068, MX1106834. UL file E12 E22253. One listed 119JG Kenmore dryer, and that's all. So I've basically shown everything of the washer and dryer, basically. So I guess that's all there is to say. So I'll see you in the next video. And also, one more thing, as usual, I will put the time slots in the video description so that you can click when the machine's about to change cycle. So I'll see you then. Alright, so here we go.